Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So last time we recorded script. So everyone is recording is done, like given from the two scenarios, right? Web web tour and saved to the page tour. Everyone is done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then good. So now today we'll see the after script recorded, we should be first thing we should be like check the like all transactions are we are given as per recorded or not. Any transactions are missed, any request maybe it is recorded or not. We can check. Okay. So once it is completed, we need to do from the some scripting enhancements. So why? Because this script we need to ready with the multiple user point of view. So, but we can observe here in login, we have only single user. You can observe username and password single user. But multiple users means what? We need to give from the 100 users. For example, we are all 4 numbers or 3 number, 5 numbers there. So, for example, we have the Facebook and this different accounts. So, everyone's credential will be same or different?
Different.
Different only, right? So means real time also what will happen, every user will be different. Like we have the Facebook means my credential will different, your credential will be different, Krishna credential will be different, Prasanna. So everyone will be different. So if it is a different users will be access to the our application, number of users. So how the application behavior is will be there, we need to check. But this script we can push into the controller, it will be only single user. You can observe this J2W only. Means same user it will execute from the number of times. It is correct scenario. Same user it will execute from the number of times is correct scenario.
No, sir.
No, because what is the realistic environment? So different user, differently it will execute the test. That is the realistic environment. So that is why once we can record the script, this script we need to ready with the multiple user point of view. So that point of view we need to do from the some scripting enhancements. Okay, what is the scripting enhancements? Nothing but like parameterization, one of the scripting enhancements. What is that? Parameterization. Okay, I will explain for that. Okay. So parameterization, nothing but what are the values you are entered through keyboard, those values you should do the parameterization. Okay, clearly listen. So what are the values you are entered through keyboard? Those values we should do the parameterization or static input to this server. We can call it as a parameterization. So one of the scripting enhancements, parameterization. So now we can observe, first of all, you can, when you can see the application, then you can easily know, okay, we are entering from the, like URL, means URL also we can do parameterization after username and password. So you are giving from the username and password through keyword or you are selecting through keyword we are giving. You can observe through keyword. So through keyword I given, after that I log in. And after that, this one we are clicking, but we are not entering. So this is also just we are clicking, and this is also we are clicking. And you can observe here quantity is there. So quantity you can increase also, we can decrease also, we can do. Means you are entering through keyboard, means quantity also we can do from the parameterization. And after that, so this card number, expiry date, billing, first name, last name, all details we are entering through keyboard. So that is why this all values also you need to do from the parameterization. So click on continue and click on confirm. So for this application, we are understand that few are we are observe. So those we can observe in the our script first of all. Coming to the first one, first request, launch. So in the launch, we don't have from the any, we are not entered anything. Okay. And after login, you can observe login transaction. We are entered username and password. Means username and password we need to do from the parameterization. And after that, you can observe script like request wise. And start transaction, click on pet, and end transaction, click on bet. For here, we are not entering any data to the application. So after that, select product ID. Select product ID also, we are not entering anything. And add to cart, we are clicking. Okay. And proceed to checkout also, we are not entering. But here you can observe payment details. We are entered the credit card number, expiry date, and first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, and state, and zip code. So this all we are entering through keyword. So means what are the values you are entered through keyword, we need to do from the parameterization. So how to we can do the parameterization means very simple only. Okay, first of all, you need to identify the parameterization value. Okay, first value what? Username. What is the username? J to W. So yeah, we need to select that one. First of all, you need to select that one. Click on right button. Okay, click on right button. Here we can observe replace parameter and click on create new parameter. So just click from the parameter. For here, parameter name. Like which value we are doing from the parameterization?
Username.
Username. So we need to give from the username. We can give username. Okay. And as simple the what we are doing parameterization. So that is why just our understanding point of view, we need to give from the param. Means username we are doing from the parameterization. And this is the parameter name. Like you can give from the your name also fine. You can give from the, see, you can observe. We can give from our name also, it will fine. But someone will be see means our name is not good because which value you are doing that name related to you need to give from the here. Means you are doing from the password, you are doing from the first name. So we need to give from the exactly names only we need to give. Myself, Sri Ram, Kiran also we can give because this is the just entering from the keyword. So that is why you can give anything, but we need to give from the properly professional way. Okay, what is the value we are doing? Username and parameter. And parameter type. So parameter types also we can see, we have the different type of parameter types will be there. File and date and time, group name, and we have different thing will be there. File, when we can choose the file means if it is a text or if it is any numeric value you are doing from the parameterization, we obviously we need to select from the file type. Maybe date and time also it will be there. So if you are selecting from the date and time, then we can select from the date and time. Okay, we'll discuss from the one by one. Now we are doing from the this like J2W, this one is the text or any date and time. Text only. So text means always we need to select from the file is the our parameter type. And after that, if you are give from the parameter name, select for this, and you can observe automatically it's the original value it is displaying here. What is the original value here? What value will be there? That value it is displaying J2W, and click on properties. So now you can observe we are given name username underscore param dot. So if anyone asks from the what is the parameterization extension dot, what is that means dot dot means
Dot.
for example you are doing from the password means password dot it will come. You are doing first name dot means what is that extension means parameterization extension is the dot. So after that just click from the create table and click on OK. See, now you can observe, see, it is a value is there. Now you can click with the edit with notepad. Okay, it is a notepad will open. Now you can give from the how many names you want, you can give. Like I want from the names different, then you can give from the different. So J2W 1 user, 2 user, 3 user, so 4 user. Because so why we are giving the usernames means a realistic environment, we need to test with the different users. So that is why different usernames we are adding. Okay. So after that, you can save this file and close this. And you can observe here we can see the this all values. Okay. So if you do from like this, and here you can observe by number. By number means it's a column name, it is indicate. Username is a column 1. But I want from the name wise means you can select from the by name, and here select from the user param. Okay. So after that, just click on close and click on OK. And it is asking to the replace, like where is the J2W is there. In that place, it is replaced with the which name? Username underscore param. We want to from the all the occurrence means click on the replace all. But what will happen? This password will be different because we need to do from the password also separate parameterization. So that is why first of all, no need to, okay, no, you can click. So now username parameterization is completed. So we can do from the parameterization like this. Same thing again, we can do from the password also. Select password and replace with parameter and click on create new parameter. And which value we are doing, Prasanna? Password. So you can give from the password underscore param. So professional wise you can. So when you are practicing itself also, you can give from the like this. Okay, password underscore param. So someone will be see means okay, he done the this value is the parameterization. So very clear. Okay, and after that, this is the which value? J2W is a text or numeric or date and time.
Text.
Text or numeric, both will be there. So which file we can take, which property parameter type?
File.
File only. Okay, then after that click on properties. Again you can observe password param. What is the extension of this? Dot. And click on create table.
Create table.
And click on OK. And edit with noteboard. And we need to give from the passwords. Okay, I'm giving from the password. Example Kiran. Okay. Run to. Okay. Swati. So Naresh. Okay, I'm giving from the random names. Okay, these are the passwords I given. After that, you can save this file. Click from the save. Okay, save. See, you can observe file says okay. Now by number, it is indicating from the column 1 only. But I want from the name wise means you can click on drop down, select from the password param, and click on close and click on OK. Always no. See, now we are done the username and password parameterization. So now what we can do is we can execute and we'll see the like results. Okay. So before executing, this is also important. Runtime settings. We have the runtime settings. Click on the runtime settings. In that we have the logs will be there. So in the logs, we need to actually by default, it will be standard logs will be there. Okay. But we need to select from the extend logs and parameter substitution. Why? Because parameter substitution means, so if you replace this script, for example, we can observe I replace script now. So I done the parameterization, just to I replay the script. So in the output, we are unable to see the, like we are given from the username param and password param, we are done. So that value we are unable to see in the output. So because we are not given from the parameter substitution, we are not selected. So you can observe you can like you can left side also we can see the viewer, like how the login it is happening, and after that what we are done. So everything it is able to see, your script will be passed. Now you are already done, right? This is the very important, it's a output window, because we need to check from the each and everything here as the output window. So first of all, you can come to the starting line, and we are given from the user name. You can observe if you click here, so you are unable to find, because in the runtime settings I am not set the external logs and substitution. So now we are done this, right? Save this. This is the save, and this is the replay. If you click F5 also, F3 also, F5 also, it is the replay. So just click from the replay. Now we'll see the output. Again, go to the here, and starting iteration 1 means first user. Only we are done the only one user only. You can observe launch transaction launch started. So okay, and after that transaction code is executed up to here, and you can observe here transaction launch URL ended with the pause status and duration. This much duration it is happen. Okay, and after that login, see what you are done, that value is displayed here. Username param, password param. We are done this only, right? But we are given from the 5 data, right? If you click from the parameters here, if you click here, you can observe username and password we did, and we are given from the 5 data. So we want to 5 users here. How to we can execute, and what values is picking we want to see means, you can just go to the runtime settings. Again, we have the run logic will be there. For here we need to, for example, I want to 5 users. So 5 users you are given, 5 username password we are given. You can save this and run. So what will happen now? It is execute from the 5 times. See, you can observe first time is completed. Again login again. So finally it will execute from the 5 times. It will execute. Okay. Now we can observe first of all here. See, launch how many times it is executed? 5 times. Login 5 times. Click on Fed 5 times. Means each and every transaction it is happen from the 5 times. Means user is login from the 5 times. Now we can observe here also. Go to the app. So starting iteration 1 means user 1. Started launch. Again launch ended here. Past status and login started, and username password J2W. Speak first time. And you can observe second time. Go to the next second time. See, ending iteration 1 means up to this logout is completed. Again started second user. Second user started. Again second user launch done. And after that, see, you can observe username will be same or different. Different. So means real time also it will be when you are executing the controller, you are giving from the 100 usernames in the file we are given in the notepad, right? 100 names also it will be executed from the like this. Now it is as same to as a realistic environment, or only one user we are executing from the multiple times. It is a realistic environment. So this is the point of view we are doing from the parameterization. For example, you are not done the parameterization, what will happen? Every time will be this username password only it will execute. If you execute 5 times, it will only this username password only it will execute. Then that is a realistic environment? No, right? So you can observe every time J2W only it will pick. If you execute 5 times, you are not done the parameterization, same user only it will be executed. That is why we are doing from the parameterization. We are giving to the static input to the server. Okay, got it, everyone? So again, so now we are do from the entire script from the parameterization. Now up to login is completed. You can observe up to login is completed. And what values we need to do from the parameterization actually?
What values are enter the keyboard, that value can be parameterized.
Yes. So now log up to login is we are done. And next what is that? Click on pet. In the click on pet, any one of the value we are entered. Venkatramana? Venkatramana, are you there?
He is muted.
Yeah. Okay. So here any value anyone observe? We are not entered. Just we are clicked. Just we are not at enter any data. So that is why here we no need to do from the parameterization.
Parameterization.
And select product also no need to do from the parameterization. And add to cart also no need. And proceed to checkout also no need. Now going to the payment section. So for here, MasterCard also we can do from the parameterization.
Sir.
MasterCard also we can do from the parameterization.
Yes, sir.
How?
No.
Because no, that
Just
is we are
clicking.
not entering. We are selecting the
Selecting.
application. We are drop down. Multiple values will be there. MasterCard, Visa. We have different types will be there. We are selecting. Okay, so means we are not don't touch from the these kind of things like you are selecting from the application like a drop down or radio button. These things we are not do the parameterization because we have entered which value credit card is there. For example, this value we are entered exactly. So this value also we can do from the parameterization. So select that value and replace with parameter and click on create new parameter same. And which name we need to give? What is the
Credit
parameter
card.
name? Credit card.
Credit card.
Yes, we can give from the CC underscore per. Okay. And this is the type. What is the type? Already I told. It is a
File.
numeric or text will be always file.
File.
File only. Click on properties. Click on C can observe CC param dot and create table.
Create table.
Click on
Okay.
OK. And edit with notepad and enter the credit card number. You can enter the credit card number. Okay. Random I'm giving. Okay. Because you can observe here also why we are giving from the different credit cards. What will happen? Same credit card only every user will be purchased? No. Every user, this credit card will be different. So I'm using from the credit card, same credit card Krishna also it will use and you can book the anything. No, right? So user to user also credit card also it is like different value. So that is why we are giving from the this is also some input to the application. And after that, save this and click on close and click on OK and no. So now we need to do from the expiry date also we can do. Okay, we can see that tomorrow is a date and time parameterization, but today first name, last name and address one, address two, city and bill state and bill zip and country. So these all values you guys will be need to do. So username password you need to do as same to the credit like what values we are entered through keyword, all values we need to do from the finally overlay parameterization. Okay. See now can observe after payment we don't have from the any values. For this application we know the launch login and after that credit card number, address one, address two, those values we need to do. So now this is the parameterization. Okay. For today class, we have the like date and time parameterization. We have different also will be there. Okay. So this is the today class. So everyone should already recorded. You can use. Otherwise, again you can record. Okay, because you will get from the good knowledge to recording how to record. Also, you will get when you recording script. You can record with the proper transaction names because in the results we need from the main thing will be you can observe see transaction names. So this transaction name, how much time it is taking from the multiple users. See 5 users were executed. 5 users, this much of the response time happen. So this is the important thing. So that is why when you are recording the script, give from the proper scripting transaction names and everything you can record. And after that, today work assignment should be Pestor as to same to the web tour. What values we are entered through keyword, those values you also how I did for today class, you guys also do from the today assignment. As same to the interview question also. What is the parameterization? What is the file type? What is the date and time? Okay. And how to we can do the parameterization also explain from the tomorrow class. So anyone have any doubt today class? This is a very simple concept only. Okay. I
Go
think,
through.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I think everyone is good. I think, okay. We can catch from tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Okay. Like parameterization 2 to 3 days will happen. After that, we can move to the another scripting announcements also. Okay. So scripting announcements, nothing but just we can do from this kind of things, but we are not add any code. Okay. So that is the like announcements of the scripts. Okay. So thank you for joining. Like anyone have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can go to close.
This recording will get in WhatsApp or you'll
Yes,
send.
yes. I will share WhatsApp every day. No worry. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank